In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota 4Runner key fob and change the battery yourself at home. It's very easy to do. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR 2016 batteries. If you'd like to pick one of these batteries up online, I will put a link down in the description here on YouTube to get one of those on Amazon for the lowest price. So go ahead and check that out. And then once you have everything you need, let's just get right into it. Super easy to do. The first step is just to look up here on the top of the device. You can see that little slot in the plastic. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and just twist gently. Twist the screwdriver until you feel this crack open. Now you can take off this back piece of plastic, set it down, and here's our battery. Just using the same flathead screwdriver, I'm going to try to come up, and you can see how easily it just popped up there. You can see there are these two little indentations at the top here. See, right there and there. Just put the corner of your flathead in. Just get under the battery and it will pop right out, and from there we can just remove it with our fingers. Now go ahead, get rid of your old battery, and again, the new battery you want to use is a CR 2016. If you don't know where to get that, again, there will be that link in the description. And once you have your new battery, make sure this positive side, the one with the text on it, goes face up. And you will just be clicking that into place until it sits nicely in there, just like that. And we can just put this back piece of plastic right on top the way it came before and just click it together, and that's really all it takes. Super simple. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, let me know by just giving this video a like or letting me know down in the comment section. And remember, if you ever need help changing a battery in any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check us out here on YouTube and look at all of our video tutorials, or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.